Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we are going over SurveyJunkie, whether or not it's worth it. I went out and, well, I stayed home and filled out surveys for 3 hours on SurveyJunkie. And I'm gonna tell you, is this worth it? Is this a good way to make money? I'm also gonna tell you how to cash out your earnings with SurveyJunkie. I cashed out my earnings and the money's now sitting in my bank account. So I'm gonna walk you through that and go over everything. Now, before we get started, if you do want to sign up for SurveyJunkie, we do have a unique link with them and they will give you a sign up bonus. When you use our link, I believe you get 25 bonus points just for using our link. So you already, start having some money in your account. And we do have a partnership with them. So I'm going to explain this from somebody who, does have a partnership with SurveyJunkie. I think that also does give the website a little bit of credibility. I saw Andrew Hales from LAHWF, promote SurveyJunkie in the past, and I was like, wow, there's actually a legitimate survey site out there. I talked to them, I had a meeting with their team, and they told me, we're a very legitimate survey website. They have an office out here in Los Angeles. I've spoken with members on their team, had actual legitimate meetings, gone over strategies and everything. And yeah, let's get started. So again, here you can see it. SurveyJunkie, this is a website, take surveys, get paid, be an influencer, share your opinion. So the way it works, my friend, is SurveyJunkie has partnerships with top brands like Coca-Cola, Disney, restaurants. And basically those companies need data in order to improve their business. Can you imagine how much Nike is trying to improve their, shopping experience, and, how many shoes do you buy a year? What's your shoe size? How many people are in your family? They ask you these really, specific questions, and you as a user, get paid money for that. And you can get rewarded through PayPal, Amazon, or just getting the money straight to your bank account. Now, I did want to also go over a couple of things for SurveyJunkie. It's on the Millennial Money Woman, but not only that, I don't know if I'm technically supposed to be sharing this, but I got this email since, I'm in this, we're one of the affiliate partnerships with SurveyJunkie. They sent this email to us, and they're actually gonna be going to FinCon. So for everybody asking, is SurveyJunkie legit? You wanna make sure you're doing SurveyJunkie, not SurveyMonkey, not SurveyJunkies, SurveyJunkie. SurveyJunkie is the legitimate one. When you go there, it should take you to SurveyJunkie.com. And again, if you use our link, you'll have no issues. But they're actually gonna be at FinCon 2022, which is a really popular finance convention. And our very own head of growth and acquisition, Jenna Pepesh, will be speaking about navigating inflation. I just wanted to share this with you all. Yeah, they even have an office in Glendale, California, and like I said, they're actually a legitimate business. They're not just some rinky-dink little company. They're actually going to these big FinCon expos, collaborating, partnering with big influencers. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna show you really quickly my app, and just so we can all get on the same page of is it worth it, and I'm gonna show you how to cash out your earnings. Okay, so this is SurveyJunkie. This is what the app looks like. It's a little check mark, and you click it, and right off the bat, they start sending you surveys to fill out. And as you can see here, I have 10 points, so every point is 1 cent. So I have 10 points redeemable. My lifetime points is 659 points, meaning I made $6.59. And you can cash out as soon as you hit $5. I basically hit the $5 cash out point, and then I was like, yeah, I'll do a couple more surveys. But yeah, they have these 90 points or 90 cents in 20 minutes. Now, again, if you calculate that, that's about $2-3 an hour. That's not a lot of money, right? But the thing is, guys, you can take these surveys a lot quicker, and you can do other things while you're filling out the surveys, right? You don't have to be super focused. You could be watching Netflix, listening to a podcast, doing this, probably not when you go to bed, but look at this, start now. So this is what it is. Which of the following companies do you currently have car insurance with? I have Geico. What best describes your current health insurance? I have through my employer, yes. What else? And I believe that's it. And I just got 3 points, or 2 points. So anyways, wanted to just share with you that. And let me go to my lifetime points. So my current points 12, lifetime points 661. It actually shows you all the money you've ever made, all the points you've ever earned. 60 points, 50 points. I was doing some bigger ones. I believe they're actually paying a lot more. I'm guessing with inflation, they're just, you know, giving out higher points right now. 155 points in 21 minutes. Again, you could probably fill these out way faster. And in order to redeem your points, you just go to my points here. And then what you want to do, go to more and click on bank transfer. What is bank transfer? Or you can set up your PayPal there. So basically, once you hit your 500 points, there will be a redeem option right there where you can, you know, redeem your $5 minimum and more, and it'll take you to a page where you can cash out for gift cards or for money. So yeah, guys, that's it. I just want to make that quick vid. That's how SurveyJunkie is. I do think it's a really cool app, and I don't think you're going to get rich off of it, but I do think it is, you know, decent side cash. So again, you can use our link down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you use SurveyJunkie and how much money you made. Do you think it's worth it or not? Take care, have a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye now.